Target One is a targeting and personalization platform that helps marketers reach the right customer with the right message at the right time and through the right channel. Target One is the central hub that lets marketers mine insights, target customers, personalize promotions, execute omnichannel campaigns, and measure the effectiveness of every tactic. It empowers marketers to easily execute omnichannel promotions that drive better customer activation, revenue improvement, and customer retention. So, how does it do it? Let's take a look. Target One ingests customer data from CRM systems and other master data sources to populate rich dashboards, which provide marketers with customer lifecycle insights. Marketers can use these insights to quickly identify campaign opportunities and micro-segment customers to meet those campaign objectives. Microsegments are created based on a combination of customer demographic attributes, transaction behavior, loyalty program response, and past promotion responses. The marketer can use Target One's embedded machine learning algorithms to get recommendations for best products and offers for every individual customer. The recommendation engine algorithms are used to make product suggestions to a customer that are relevant to her preferences, but are not in her shopping list today. The algorithms can also be used to identify the right promotions for every customer that will drive higher tip frequencies and repeat purchases. The promotions can be executed as real-time triggered promotions, recurring promotions, or one-off scheduled promotions. Target One's comprehensive rule engine lets marketers define rules to respond to incoming triggers with appropriate marketing messages or offers. The rules are configured based on simultaneous permutations of merchandise and location attributes, timestamps, and customer events. Before promotions reach customers, marketers can run A/B tests to identify the ideal creative treatment, headline, copy, or channel mix that will get the maximum response from the target segment. Target One also executes split runs for the same promotion to completely personalize the communication to the individual's preferences. Marketers are able to execute promotions on all digital and conventional channels, including email, mobile apps, text messaging, websites, CRM systems, and point of sale. Target One manages omnichannel touch governance at the individual customer level to prevent spamming and media fatigue. Target One monitors responses of campaigns across every channel to recognize customer engagement and revenue driven by every promotion. Target One provides valuable ROI insights for every tactic, campaign, and channel, which helps marketers further optimize future campaigns. For how to switch on personalization, check out Target One.